Chevrolet Tri-Five, 1955-1957. Close your eyes and picture a classic 1950s American car. What comes to mind? Chances are, it's not just any car. It's one of the instantly recognizable Chevrolet Tri-Fives. Spanning the years 1955, 1956, and 1957, these iconic Chevys, from the luxurious Bel Air to the versatile 210 and the workhorse 150, didn't just drive on the roads. They defined an entire era. They became the rolling embodiment of post-war optimism, prosperity, and the blossoming American dream. What made the Tri-Five so visually impactful? It was a masterful blend of striking, chrome-heavy designs with an emerging sense of automotive artistry. The 55 model introduced a crisp, clean aesthetic, while the 56 refined it with a bolder grille. But it was the 57 that truly cemented their legendary status, with its distinctive tail fins, sleek body lines, and unmistakable presence. These cars weren't merely transportation. They were mobile sculptures, gleaming with polished chrome bumpers, intricate grilles, and two-tone paint schemes that popped with vibrant energy. They represented the aspirational elegance of mid-century design, reflecting an era where style and flair were paramount, and the automobile was a proud extension of one's personality. Beyond their captivating looks, the Tri-Fives held a secret weapon under their hoods: the revolutionary new small-block V8 engine. Introduced in 1955, this compact, powerful, and remarkably versatile engine was a game-changer. It wasn't just about raw horsepower. It was about democratizing performance. Suddenly, a family sedan could have genuine muscle. This potent pairing of eye-catching design with a robust and tunable V8 created something entirely new. The first truly accessible American family performance car. It meant Dad could cruise to work in style and then tear up the local drag strip on the weekend. This synergy of everyday usability and exhilarating power set a new benchmark for the entire industry and laid the groundwork for the muscle car era to come. The Tri-Fives weren't just sold. They were embraced by an entire generation. They became synonymous with the burgeoning youth culture of the 1950s. You'd find them lining up at drag strips, their tires squealing and V8s roaring, proving their mettle in raw speed competitions. They were parked outside bustling diners, their chrome reflecting neon lights, as teenagers socialized and cruised. And they were immortalized in countless movies and television shows, becoming iconic symbols of rebellion, romance, and the quintessential American way of life. These cars didn't just represent an era, they were the era, embodying the carefree spirit, the burgeoning freedom, and the undeniable cool of mid-century Americana at its finest. Even today, decades later, the Chevrolet Tri-Fives remain incredibly stylish, surprisingly fast, and intensely desirable. They are cherished collector's items, sought after for their timeless aesthetics, their robust mechanics, and the sheer nostalgia they evoke. Owning a Tri-Five isn't just owning a classic car. It's owning a tangible piece of American history, a rolling reminder of a golden age where design, power, and cultural impact converged perfectly. The legacy of the Tri-Five Chevy is truly unmatched, making it a permanent fixture in the pantheon of automotive legends.